Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to fix hotspot not working and hotspot connection problem in Vivo T3 Ultra. Before move to this video, please subscribe for more videos and watch complete video. Now let's start our video without wasting any time.